Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create the monolithic architecture of your application. In this application, how to perform the CRUD operation. So we'll guide you step by step how you can create the monolithic architecture, how you create the data access layer, how to create the model, how to create the unit of work, and how to create the DB context file for manipulating your data. For database connectivity, I'm going to use the entity framework. For data manipulation, I'm going to use link queue. For the beautification of your application, I'm going to use the bootstrap. And from posting data from your view to the control, I'm going to use the jQuery with the Ajax. So in this video, is if you are stay with us, we can give you the complete guidance for beginners. If you are the beginner, this is the perfect video for you to understand how is data flow from view to the controller, then controller to the repository, and repository to your database. We are also showing to use the generic repository pattern. What do you mean by generic repository pattern? Suppose if you have the customer, then you have the product, so you can combine, you can use the same function or same method for saving the customer data or saving the product data. So all this can be happen using the generic repository, but you do so you don't have to write a different saving code, or like in ADO.NET we have to use a different code for saving the product data and the customer data. But in the generic repository pattern, we can use the same function to saving the data or retrieving or fetching the data. We also give you the how you give the validation, like the require validation or some validation for the database side. This is the very important practical scenario when you have to validate and show the user friendly message to the user in the jQuery. From, let's say, suppose you have the duplicate validation of the customer email or customer product, so we can also handle this in significant way. How to you can properly convey the message. We have the required validation, max field validation, all those things. So stay with us. We'll guide you complete in step by step. Thank you for watching this video.